Hey guys, Afagza Sifuna here, and I've just seen some interesting piece of news out there which I want to discuss with you. I've seen information that soon we're going to see KRA officials out there having body cameras wherever they go about their duty. This is some exciting piece of news out there. I don't know what you think about it, but I think it's very critical piece of news. More so because of three key things these body cams are going to solve. The first thing is that it's going to assist the country increase its revenue. In essence, we've seen the taxman struggle over the past few years to actually meet the targets when it comes to revenue, And if we can get the taxman, for example, to be able to cater for over 70% of our budget, what it's going to mean is that we're going to be borrowing less and less as a country. Because at the moment, guys, we're borrowing much more. Because with the current mechanism, we're seeing the taxman not being able to scale the revenue collection targets very, very high at a faster rate compared to what the rate the debt is increasing with. So with this, what it's going to mean is that it's going to reduce the bribes out there. And if bribes are reduced, chances are the people supposed to pay tax going to pay tax as required, and we're going to see the revenue kitty for the country increase. And then secondly, also you're going to see business people out there working more happily, more relieved, and it's going to actually increase their productivity. Why am I saying so? It's because we also see some unscrupulous officers out there, for example, harassing business people when it comes to seeking bribe and so forth. But in case the law is followed, procedures are followed, then everyone is going to just do their duty that they're supposed to do. If a business person is on the wrong, they're going to see how to rectify their wrong. If a business person is not on the wrong, then they won't be harassed. Because with these officers having body cameras on them, it's going to mean information is going to be out there. So everyone's going to do their duty the way they're supposed to do their duty. And a good number of business people out here, most of those who are harassed for no reason, are going to be more comfortable. They're going to go ahead with their business with ease, knowing very well no one can harass them, because in the course of their duties, all officers, most of those from the domestic tax department, are going to be having the body cameras. And then third and lastly, this is very critical in that it's going to also be the basis of evidence. You know what? At the moment in the country, guys, if something is not captured, if there are no witnesses, chances are that piece of evidence is going to be questionable. But now, with these body cameras, more so if they're anchored on given guidelines, on given legislation, and it's a requirement for the officers to use them wherever they're on duty, this is going to actually be a good possible piece of evidence for the court to use. In case someone alleges someone's tried to take a bribe from them, and there's a recording for that, which is backed up, this is going to be good source of evidence. I'm really excited about this. Can't wait to see the rollout of this. What do you think? Are you also excited about this news?